Hello everyone, my name is Nurliana. In this video, I will explain three topics in pronunciation practice and English phonetic and phonology. They are phonetic symbol and their example, how to produce sound based on place and manner of articulation, and single letter phonograms and their explanation. Okay, let's begin with the first topic. First part is phonetic symbol. Phonetic symbol are symbols used in the International Phonetic Alphabet to represent speech sound accurately. They help us know the correct pronunciation of word. And there are two types of sound, that is vowel sound and consonant sound. Vowel sound are sound produced when air from the lungs exits through the mouth without any obstruction or closure by the tongue, lips, or teeth. And consonant sound are sound produced when the airflow is obstructed, blocked, or narrowed by speech organs such as the lips, tongue, teeth, and palate. Okay, now let's move on to the part of vowel sound and consonant sound. First is vowel sound and the example of word. E, for example, see. I, for example, sit. A, for example, pen. A, for example, car. O, for example, hot. O, for example, door. U, for example, book. U, for example, school. For example, about. For example, bird. Next is consonant sound and the example of word. P, for example, pen. B, for example, bag. For example, fish. V, for example, fan. T, for example, thing. D, for example, this. S, for example, sun. Z, for example, zoo. Sh, for example, she. Z, for example, vision. Ch, for example, chair. J, for example, job. For example, man. For example, name. For example, sing. O, for example, love. Y, for example, yes. W, for example, window. H, for example, happy. The second part is how to produce the sound based on place and manner of articulation. Place of articulation means where the sound is made in our mouth. First place is bilabial. In this place, both lips touch each other, like this. And the sound produced is P in pen, B, and M. Labiodental. In this place, the lower lip touch the upper teeth, like this. And the sound produced is F and M. Dental. In this place, the tongue touch the teeth, and the sound produced is T and D. Alveolar. In this place, the tongue touch the alveolar ridge behind the teeth. The sound produced is T, D, S, Z, N, O. Palatal. In this place, the tongue moves toward the hard palate, and the sound produced is S, Y, Y. Velar. In this place, the back of the tongue touch the soft palate. The sound produced is K, G, Glottal. In this place, the sound is produced in the throat. The sound produced is H, such as in house. Meanwhile, manner of articulation means how the air comes out to make a sound. Plosive sounds are made by stopping the air and then releasing it. For example, P, B, T, D, K, G. Fricative sounds are made when the air passes through a small opening and creates friction. For example, z, sh, ha. A fricative sound begin like a stop sound and end like a fricative sound. For example, ch in chair and j in jam. Nasal sounds are made when the air comes out through the nose. For example, and Lateral sounds are made when the air passes along the side of the tongue. For example, all. Approximant sounds are made when the speech organs come close together but do not create friction. For example, v, and y. The third part is single letter phonograms. And before we get into the discussion about single letter phonograms, we have to know about phonograms themselves. A phonogram is a letter or a group of letters that represent a sound. One of the unique features of English is that the same phonogram can be pronounced in different ways depending on the word. And okay, now we will go into the main part, that is the single letter phonograms. But remember, not all single letters have more than one sound. Only a few letters have multiple sounds. Here are some of those letters. The letter A has 5 sounds. For example, A in apple, A in cake, A in father, O in talk, E in about. The letter E has 4 sounds. For example, A in bed, E in me, E in problem, and can sound silent in word make. The letter I has 3 sounds. For example, I in sit, I in bike, E machine. The letter O has 4 sounds. For example, O in hot, O in home, U in two, A in love. The letter U has 4 sounds. For example, A in sun, U in music, U in rule, U in put. The letter C has 2 sounds. K in cat, S in city. The letter G has 2 sounds. G in go, J in giant. The letter S has 2 sounds. S in sun, Z in rose. The letter X has 2 sounds. X in box, X in exam, P. I hope this explanation helps you understand English pronunciation better. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.